Hello everyone, welcome again to another game dev stream. I hope you had a nice week and you're getting ready for the weekend, because I am. How's everyone? All good? So let's just waiting for you to say something in the chat so I can begin talking about the game. So there's already 6 people. Cool. Hello Presidium, welcome back. It's always good to have you here, man. I hope all the audio and music is on the right volume, and I shall begin. So, recapping what I did last Tuesday. Music could be a little louder, okay. I can change that. Is it better now? Okay, cool. Let's do this then. So last Tuesday I was working on the boss, on this big slime boss. And what I did, let me see if this, yeah, this is working now. So I added the boss dividing itself into smaller bosses, and the damage being having a feedback on the player and on the slimes. So after that, hello Joshua. Yeah, I'm a programmer, but thanks for the lol. That was good. You should stick with Presidium because he's a Unity developer too. So you guys pretty cool. So I added these small splats. So the boss will spit some balls and then get a splat on the floor. The splat will the splat will damage the player and then will fade out after a small amount of time. So that's what I want to program today. Oh, good for you, Joshua. Yeah. So that's what I want to develop today. The splats, the giving damage or taking damage from the player, and after that disappearing after a small time. I know the splats look a bit weird. They look they're the shadows. I have to work with the shadows too, because those shadows now are just going, and the balls just make an arch. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do better than that, but I'll do it later. I'll search for something during the weekend probably. For now we'll work like that, and so let's take care of the damage. And also I wanted to thank everyone that is already here and ask you to please hit follow button, that so the stream could get more views and grow. That would help a lot this process. So back to the splat, and okay, let's put the splat giving some damage. So on create event, we should create a damage object, but the damage object I have to change it. So create damage object. For instance, var damage instance create x and y object damage. Okay, now I need to change the damage object because the damage object only stays for a second, and I need him to stay there until the splat goes away. Where's the damage object? So yeah, it's here. Now I need something. Like persistent equals to false. So persist, okay, can call persist. So that's just a flag, and on the alarm, if that won't work because it's a second. Or less than a second. Oh, thanks everyone for the follows. That's pretty cool. I'm just checking it out who was. I saw Micro and New Into. Okay, thanks you guys. I'm hoping to get to the 100 followers today. So 7 more to go. That's not much. Now let's continue this. So if persist equals to false, it will destroy the object, otherwise it won't destroy the object. So here, thanks bro. Damage persist equals to true. So this way, let's put it visible so we see if console. If it stays there, let's see. stays there. It's cool and probably makes some damage to the player. Yeah. It's awfully big, but at least it can work for now. So it persists there. That's what I wanted. Now I need to add an alarm. Yeah. It's already here. Oh. Not for the damage yet. For the splat, yeah. Alarm 0. So destroy. Destroy splat. Instance destroy. But for now it's just, let's just see if it destroys. So alarm. But what I really wanna do is fade out the splat, so it gives the idea that it's going away or merging with the floor or something. I don't know. So floor speed, no. Room speed. So after a second it will disappear. Let's see. Yeah, but the damage doesn't disappear. I'll have to do damage. Alarm 0 equals to room speed 2. So they will disappear at the same time. Okay, let's see. Doesn't disappear. Oh, because they persist. Yeah, that's the problem. I'll just save this. So, oh yeah, damage. That's what I want. Yeah, I want the alarm with damage, and I kill it. Instance destroy. Done. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Cool, it works. But let me search for opacity or something. I don't know. So GameMaker object opacity. No. Image alpha. So I want. Slowly reduce until it reaches 0. Okay. So what is it? Image what? Image alpha. Okay. Image alpha minus equals 0.1. If image alpha equals 0, it will destroy this stuff. Come on. Okay, let's see. Not the room speed because that's too slow. Let's do it 0.2 or 2. See how it goes. Okay, it's not working. Oh, I know why. Else I have to call the alarm again. It has to be recursive, otherwise it won't work. So alarm 0 equals to 2. I can save this as a var, like speed equals to 2. Speed, maybe easier, speed. So I only change it in one place. Let's check it out. It's too fast. Oh, it looks nice. Okay. Let's put more speed, like 10. 10. And the damage object will be invisible. So we can take a good look on the Splats. Oh, the splat damages the... Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh, that's a bug. The splat is damaging the slime. It's not what I wanted to do. I have to review that. I don't think 10 is quite... Let's see 5. 10 is quite slow. Yeah, 5 looks good. Spit something and then... Yeah, I have to take care of that damage there. Otherwise players will be using itself to kill the boss. That way it's gonna be too easy. So that damage is the creator problem, I think. Yeah, because I check it out here. If it's different than the creator. So the creator here, it will be, where's the ball? Yeah, the slime ball is here. No, when it's Splats, yeah. So here I create the damage exactly, and I need to damage creator equals to object big slime 4 cores, or at least for this one it will work, not for the other ones. See? Yeah, it doesn't damage him anymore. Oh, it does. Dang it. What's happening here? So... the thing is... When I create the ball, I create the ball from so let's put it here. Creator equals to no one. So I'll save the creator for one and another. So here creator equals no one two, and creator here equals to creator. Creator. What's the problem here? Unexpected symbol. Oh, okay. So with the slime, when I create, let me see. It's probably here. Launch the ball, yeah. So here I create the ball, so var ball, and I'll give it ball dot creator equals to self. Okay, so when I create the splat, it's on the ball. Instance create shadow, create splat. Okay, so var splat equals that, splat equal creator equals creator. It's already defined from the other object, and here the creator should be the same creator, so the damage will have the slime as a creator, so it won't damage him, I think. Splat dot creator, not crater. Splat dot creator. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let him make a splat. Come on. Totally random. Oh, still. Gosh. Why? Let's see. If the other ID is different than the creator. It should be the same. Should be working. I don't know what's happening. Let's log other.id, log self.id. Well, let's see what is happening. Creator. Oh, the problem is, oh, okay. It's the IDs, because it's looking for the ID and not the object. So back to, okay, so create the ball. I create the ball, not here. Where is it? No. Yeah, I can just, when I create the damage ID, because I'm sending the object, I can just put it here. Welcome, Lakebird. Okay, so there's a problem. Undefined. Yeah, my hair is a bit long, yeah, I have to cut it. And about the quality of my code, I hope it's good enough for you to like play it and enjoy it. That's what I want. The game is good. So it isn't working. Let's log this again. Let's see. Undefined. Okay, so that's a problem. If I have tried Hitbox, what do you mean? The streaming stuff or a hitbox around the damage? What do you mean? No, I haven't tried that streaming stuff. Why should I? So if I don't have the creator ID, let's get back to the code. From the beginning, when I create the ball, so I launch the ball. Ball equals to self. The ball has a creator object, right? Creator no one. Okay. Creator no one. We just need the ID. So when I self.id. Let me here, yeah. Log creator. Let's see how it goes. I've tried lighting. Wait, let me just check it out and I'll see your message. Okay, now there's object damage collision event. Okay, so the problem now is here. What I say? I don't know, I tried, I liked it. You can probably get better views here. Mustache bar. So I know. Okay, cool. Yeah, if you met the guy, if you meet with the guy and get some sort of, I don't know, deal or stuff, let me know. And if it's good, I don't know. I don't even have 100 followers here. I went to Twitch because this is Gamedev and Twitch is all about gaming. So I thought it would be good to be here, making the game and showing it off on the place that games are played and streamed. I look up into live coding, I think. Okay, doesn't work. I look up into live coding, but it was more to wasn't too specific for games. That's why I stuck with Twitch. But well, it's a thing to see and see if it works or not, if it makes any sense for us game developers. Okay, so the creator here is good, but here it isn't good. What the frack? Another thing that I have to do, stop, is I have to shut up that alarm that is on the live, I think is here. Live form, right? Yeah. Alarm count, yeah, I don't want this anymore. So I'll take it out, yeah, and from the live form 2, okay. Yeah, I agree with Larry Sensei. Valenbeard started here and did all the, I think it was 2 years of stream twice a week. So I think it's better to be here than in another. That's why, also why I think that I'm gonna stay with this. So let me log here, log collision damage collision here. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's debug. So here is cool. Podcast, some promotion, Oh, yeah, well, I think it depends on the promotion that you can do by yourself for your game. I don't think that the platform will help that much, since most of the gamers already know Twitch and already on Twitch. It's like going to YouTube gaming right now. They are probably giving a lot of deals and promotion in their platform, but how many people are there to look at your stream? Not much, as in compared to Twitch. So I think the bigger audience is here, so you just have to work your way up here and make it worth it. So here is okay. Here the creator is okay. Is this one? And then damage collision here, and I get the creator wrong. What the frack? So okay, the splat is okay. On the create, the splat is okay. Let's see on the splat. The create a splat. Log splat log creator. Let's see. Go and make some damage. What? Splat -4. What the hell? Ball. Okay. So ball. Where's the ball? Where do I create the ball? So the slime launch ball, exactly. So here I send the ID. Okay. So the ball creator. What's that? -4. Splat -4. Ball, splat, ball. Okay, so I just wanna. Thanks for the retweet, Presidium. That's pretty cool. That helps a lot. So I send the creator, all right. So the creator, okay. Here's fine. Then here's not fine. It wasn't a retweet? What it was? Oh no, you tweeted it. Okay, pretty cool. You don't no need to be so rude, man. Come on. So on the splat it should. What the hell? The splat goes first. What? Doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. Come on. Why is the splat being created first? Yeah, it is rainwave. That is pretty cool. So why is the splat being created? Doesn't make any sense. Oh no, it is. That's why. Okay, so yeah, it's not my mistake, of course not. Okay, now that's stupid. Okay, let's check it out again. I need to comment this. Okay, let's do it. I have to fix this bastard. Go. Damage. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Okay, so ball. Okay, splat not okay. Okay. So the create is okay. The splat created, it isn't okay. Because on create it isn't the same. So I'll have to check it out in another time, probably on the alarm. Let me check here. Well, it's we'll create a lot of logs. Go. Oh, come on, you have to turn. Yeah, looks okay. The ball and the splat look okay. But probably not on damage. Okay, damage. That's what I wanted. Damage collision. So the splat is okay, the damage is okay. Here it isn't okay, so it's after the splat. Where's the splat? Splat, learn, destroy. Oh, it's on create, okay. Now I know what's the problem. Problem is when I create here, not here, when I create, yeah, on the splat here, I create the instance here and give it the creator before I pass the variable. So I need to put the splat here. So like splat equals to no one, and on the step event if is or splat, yeah, if splat equals to no one, it creates the damage object. But for that I need to do it right away. Or I can do it another way. I can create a second alarm. It's gonna be easier. Create damage object. So this way I'll create the damage and already have the creator and everything's gonna be fine. I hope. So I'll do it here and alarm 1 equals to 1, so it's faster than light. Let's see. Come on. Is it colliding or what? Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Splat ball. So no, none of this. I need now. It's okay. Done. Here. Okay. Okay. I still want to see this. This is the object slum. This is the ball. And I don't need this anymore. Okay, let's see it. Oh, I just see now. Lario Sensei followed me. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. That helps a lot. Oh, it's only 6 followers until the hundreds. Would be good if I did it today. Almost 100 followers. So let's see if you get damage. Okay, it doesn't go to the damage. That's why, cause they're not the same. Cool, now they don't damage each other. That's good, that's good. So now I have to take care of that shadow. So what's the shadow? Let's recap that part. Let me rubber duck with you guys a bit. So the shadow is going endlessly. I need to calculate the speed between one point and another so I can speed up the shadow until it goes to the place and it disappears then. So I'll have to search. See, GameMaker, distance between 2 points. So I need the distance first. Distance 2 point. Distance 2 point. Yeah. So here. X and Y. What? Returns distance between a calling instance and a given point in pixels. Okay, so what I want to see is distance. Okay, I don't need you anymore. I need this also. What is... okay, so the splat is created. The shadow is created at the same time, I think, on the ball. Yeah, on the step event. What is playing now? Shudoken 2, okay. Let me pump up the sound here. So I create a splat here and I create the shadow here. Okay, so I have the direction, I need the distance. So I can give a speed. Speed, so var speed equals to, what was it? Distance to point. Distance to point. Let's target X and target Y. So I have this the distance. Now I need to calculate the speed, so it will be I don't know the speed to what's the speed now? Here the speed is 2. So it takes 2 to, let me log here, log speed, because I want to check out he gets to, oh come on, what happened? Okay, almost dead. 76, 40, 76. I'm just checking if I can get one that matches the other and get the distance. Okay, that was too small. Come on, random. Help me out. Let's try 70. So, if it takes me... on a speed of 2 to reach 70, on a distance of y with the x speed, so the x is y times 2 divided by 70. Okay, so the speed needs to be shadow speed equals shadow speed equals to so the distance, I need the y. Okay, I can change that. In the shadow I have the speed, the length going to be 70, and It's original speed and speed equals to 0. So okay, now here well, yeah, I can't. The thing is, I'll have to do that on the step event or an alarm for that. Remind me later. Now I'm streaming, I can't do that. Yeah, I can create an alarm to yeah, I think it's gonna be easier. So alarm, clock speed. So speed equals, it's y, it's the, okay, here, this is the original length, and the length equals to 0. So the y is going to be the length, so lang times original speed divided by original length. Okay, so alarm 0 after 1. Okay, let's see. Hey DJ Link, how you doing, man? Okay, no speed at all. Because I didn't pass here. Right. I need to, the speed, the distance, dist, length, and I need to put shadow length equals to length. This way it will calculate the speed. Yeah, sometimes it's crazy to develop on this. Sometimes I just have to close everything and open again. Okay. Doesn't speed it up. Okay, why not? It's crazy bad shit. So let me close almost everything up. There it is, the shadow. Okay, that's what I wanted. Now I have some windows below this chat, right? Yeah, you can see it. So the shadow has an original speed. Original speed. And I get the length here. So yeah, it should be working. So that's the distance. What's up, Edgar? You good, man? Thanks for joining. By the way, did you both follow the stream already? Because 6 people away, 6 followers away from hitting 100, so it would be good to do it on stream today. So yeah, I'm pretty good, Edgar. I'm pretty good. I'm just struggling with distance and speeds of stuff, but apart from that is just development all over again. You know the drill. Thanks for the follow, Edgar. And you get a pretty animation of the chest box opening. So 95, 5 to go. That's pretty cool. So if you want to see, I want this speed. I'm just using pen and paper right now. It's like old-fashioned. Giveaways. Oh, come on. Well, we can do something like that if you want, DJ. If you want, I can give away a Steam key of your game if you want to be promoted on my page. I don't know if I can do that because I don't even have set 100 followers, so just tell me if you're into that. That would be awesome, man. Yeah, don't worry, Presidium, that's okay. I don't know if anyone would come here for a giveaway and watch me code. Not even you want keys for your game, come on. Your game is awesome, man. You guys are the best. So, let me recap the code. Otherwise I won't do anything today. Other than what I did already. Let me do this here. So, let me speed equals length times 2 divided by 70. Exactly. The hype. Exactly, yeah, my brain is all melted already. I have to sleep more hours. Otherwise I don't know, burn out or something. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, that was good. It isn't working at all. What was the other one? What? Wasn't logging the speed. Log length. Log. Fuck this shit. Yeah, DJ Leak doesn't even sleep more than me. Just sleeps less than me. Yeah, I wish that this was my work. This isn't my work. This is my free time, and I'm working on my game. So, yeah, I don't like to see it as work. I like to see it as fun. So shadow, speed. Welcome, Sorcery Story. Long time no see. Yeah, work. Exactly. So yeah, let me 2.2, 1.4, it's less. What the frick? No, it's okay, it should be. Exactly. And that's one thing I don't want to be, it's a workaholic. Gosh, would hate myself for that. Yeah, 17 isn't working. Should be less than 70. Let's see, 65. Okay, it's good. Not good. Not good. That one is awesome. 77, 2.3. That's the ratio that I need. So 2.3. No, it's working. It isn't working. It's not the same ratio. Come on. That one is good. That one isn't. What is this? Returns the reason until X component vector determine indicating length and direction. That's the I have two speeds. Nice joke, Larry Sensei. Nice joke. Clap for you. Don't feel bad. So it's official. I don't know what I'm doing here. Because I need to move. This function seems confusing at first. No, really. No shit. Choose get the action component of the position 11 from the starting point. So what is happening here? I don't need this. On the step event, the position should be yeah, an F on those floats, yeah. Think of this as JavaScript. You don't have to define anything. I have of that enough of that already during my 8 hours of work during Swift. So this is gonna, that's the length that I need. Don't go, man, come on, don't go. We all have our passions, and I don't want it to spend 10 years of my life doing this game. I'm already gonna spend, I don't know, 3 probably on a framework. So this does no, I would spend 10 years doing the game if I wanted to do my own framework, because I don't have the skill of DJ Link, so I'm really lost in here. I have the final point already, so I could... What is it? I have some chat. Oh yeah, got it. So if I have the final point... Only took me 35. Hey Shen Mike, how you doing? Well, nope, it isn't working. I need a ratio, bigger ratio. I don't know how. Well, yeah, I'll have to review this later. Yeah, I'm still at it, man. I'm still trying to code stuff. Let's change this. First image speed equals to 0. So it would stay on the same image. Yeah, it's good. It's not just going. That one was awesome. Let me check here. Log. Put something wrong in here. Let's see. No, it isn't. It's good. It's probably here then. This could be wrong. Let's check this. This could be different. Only this. There it goes. No. What I need is I need the player here. So this is the shadow. I need the splat. I need the ball. Okay, cool. So when I create, this creates a shadow, this creates the ball, the splat. So I need to forget about this, forget about this. Let's log this. Target X, log target Y. Let's see if they match. Here, log X, log Y. Not a big Y, a small Y. What the hell? Windows Form Simulator 2016. What the hell? What? What did I lost? Okay. Let's pull this up. So yeah, they're not the same. That's the problem. I'm still logging something that I don't want. No. 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 Yeah, logging some speed, whatever. On create, no? No. So I'm not calcing this correctly, that's the problem. Okay. So the target. You streaming today, man? No pressure. Yeah, here, the speed, I need this. Exactly. Now, okay, so I'm calculating. I can give you host if you want. So you'll pick up after me. Many stuff. Okay, so I get the ending angle. I get X and Y, and I should. The thing is, okay, let's recap everything. Do the same as when I animate the ball. Exactly. So I get the ending angle, that's when they're gonna stop. Okay. It should be fine. But it's not, so something's wrong. Sorry. Angle. Because it starts on the angle and does the same as so target X, target Y. Do the same as it when it moves. And I don't need this because it's repeating. So sin and cos is the same. Start with the angle on point 1. Get the direction, it goes good. This is the ball is centered. Let's see. Yeah, ball is centered. But the shadow, it is centered too. That's not the problem. Okay. This isn't fun at all. But I don't have anything programmed. I don't have anything else programmed for today, so bear with me. Let me check my to-do list. See if I have something else that I can do. Yeah, no. Nope, I didn't plan anything else rather than this, so bear with me, guys. So I get the target in X and Y as it is in here. And I move it as the angle moves it. So it should calculate the same amount. Less than any angle. Less than equals to any angle, right? Let's try. Could be that. It could be that. Not giving the same amount. Now he's giving more. Still giving more. Okay, so let's try 0. See. Okay, not the same. Let's do it equal. Or I can do something else. Yeah, that doesn't work. Because sometimes the angle doesn't quite get there. Could save the positions, and because they're not quite different. Let's try, let's hack it. F it. So yeah, so ball target. Let me target X and target. Not quite the same. So it seems not today that I get 200 followers, okay. Could be worse. I could be stuck in code. And now it's creating somewhere. just weird. That one was good. That one was good. Almost. No, that was too fast. Not fast enough, the shadow. Gosh. Log angle. Come on. Let me log some stuff and see what's happening. Log ending angle. .10, 388, 180, 174. So there's a difference, and probably that's what's changing everything. So need to round it up. No, 180. Let me sorry. Let me see how I can round decimal. Round. Let's see. What? Okay. Just need multiply by new precision multiplier and divide by round number. Floor number. Apply curves around, doesn't work. Digit round. Let's see if I can see if this works. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, landing angle, log landing angle. Just to ending angle equals okay, let's try it out. What's wrong? Unknown function digits wrong. Oh, okay, because there's a function here. Wait. Or is digits wrong? There's nothing talking about digits wrong. Okay, so see floor. This guy says this didn't do this. Let's try this. Let's try it out. Okay. Let's see if it comes out the same. 120, 120, 250, 250. Okay, it's almost. Almost. Not quite the same. It looks like it's not centered. Okay, the angles are alright now, but it doesn't look centered. Why? Why? I don't know. It doesn't look centered. Yeah. And sometimes doesn't work. Too fast or too slow. Gosh. Kalari, see you, man. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the follow. Hope to see you next time. Well, yeah, F it for now. It will be like that. Let's see if I can stop the shadow from going further than the point. I probably can. Check the position. Let's GameMaker instance in place, yeah, that's what I want. Instance place, I think, yeah, right. I want to check if exactly, so if instance place physical X, physical Y, and object splat. No, it's not splat, right? Let me see. Yeah, big. Come on. Big slime splat. So if it finds, I need the second one here. while it's not there, else instance destroy. Instance destroy. So this way, if the sorry, if the shadow finds a splat, it will disappear. Exactly. So it looks better now, but it's still not perfect. I'll have to work a bit that, yeah, because if it's too small, it just doesn't work. Like this last one, the difference isn't that big. The difference isn't that big. Yeah, we don't have classes for that, Presidium, so yeah. I can save the shadow. I can do that. I can save the shadow when I create it here. I can save it, and when I create the splat I can kill it. It's the same. Actually that's a better idea. Thanks for the I can just create shadow equals no one, and here I create the shadow, and here when I create the splat I'll do with shadow instance destroy. If I can type correctly, instance destroy, exactly. And I won't need this or this, because now it will move always until it is destroyed. So yeah, the shadow just disappears there, like pretty fast. It just doesn't go until... Yeah, I'll have to calculate that later on. So I don't need this. Yeah, and I don't need this. Just this plus equals the speed, and it's done. So yeah, this is done. I'll probably add speeding balls on the other. Only this also. Clean some codes. I'll have to check that out later. And this is the ball. Yeah, so where's the slime? Here's the slime. Do I need anything here like alarm room speed? No. Exactly. I have to learn to... They all have... Oh, yeah. I'll probably create a parent object for all of these three, so they all speed. Yeah, I need to create the alarm in each one of them. Yeah, so let's create an object. What did I do? Did I kill the project? I'm saving what? Oh, well. No, I don't want to create a new one, gosh. Nope. Okay, cool. So, new object. Object. Big slime boss. This is going to be the parent that has everything of the slime boss. Okay, so all this going here, and just center everything. This has HP4, but the speed and HP is going to change for each one of them. It's gonna be 6, 4, 6, yeah. Okay, so I can comment this for now. And Micro Awesome, hey, what you working on there? I'm working on a game. You can read on the description, but I can tell you about it. It's an action-adventure co-op game, much like a Zelda game but for 2 players. And now I'm working on this big boss slime, and now I'm cleaning it up a bit, the code. But feel free to ask any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. This drop is so this is for the room, this is for the enemies, so enemy drop should be a script. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Boulder Gates, but the other guys are. Feel free, no problem. Yeah, let's put this on a script. So script. Let's call it monster drop. Script monster. Drop. script monster. Come on, drop. Drive seed some kill or whatever, not an experience. This was from previous stuff, not this part. I can pass the amount, so like rareness, me here, far rare equals to argument argument 0, let's see, rare. Okay, so this will be this now, and the rarity or rareness will be 10. So for every 1 out of 10 it will drop something. For the slime boss it will be finally start working on your game, waiting for 6 weeks, now I'm doing anything. That's pretty cool, man, that's pretty cool. Feel free to share your stuff and I'll check it later. So event, inherit. So this is on kill, right? Event destroy, event on destroy. Goes here, here. Destroy. Okay. The alarm one is a stall alarm. So alarm 0 1 gosh. So delete alarm 1. Well, but you started. Started is a start, man. Stall alarm. And the second one is launch the ball, and I need yeah 1 2. It works. Okay, so the step event. Gonna be equals to each of them. Okay, this is different for each one of them. Doesn't have anything, so I can delete this one. I can delete this one because it has a stall already. The destroy. Can delete. Delete. And the collisions should be the same. Okay, man, see you in a bit. So collision with player 1 is this. Collision with player 2. I have to check if it's the same and put this on a script so it would be easier. I think it's the same. And this is for... doorway area, so it won't go away. Doorway collision. So this is a life form parent, and this guy is going to be an object slime boss. So let's try for now. Oh, didn't save. Save. Run. Let's see. That shouldn't be happening. What's the problem with that? So player area on, push on. Step event line. What the hell? This is weird. Okay, let's review it. In full room, what's the problem? Object 1 player area. Step events 14. What? I'm getting weird. Errors, okay. Player 1 area. Step event line 14 if in full room. I didn't change anything here. Why is it's on the 12th? What the hell? What's the problem with this? Okay, let's roll back this. Can't. Okay, great. This doesn't work well. Okay. This is commented. Wait a minute. No, object big slime boss, okay. Destroy. Okay, let's try now. After saving. Is it something to do with the parent object not creating? Oh yeah, it was it. Okay, so it's working. And I get damage and I can kill him. Oh. You bastard. Yeah, but I want to change something here that is on the create event, so create this HP, define HP and speed. So HP equals to 6, speed equals to 0.5. Where's the bigger slime? Smaller slime? So speed image speed 0.3. Oh, okay. Speed is 1. So image speed. So now I can just make this parent of this, and I can delete this and this and this. What's changed here? Okay. This I can change into the previous one. To the step event. And the inheritance too, because it inherits from the previous one. Okay, the boss executes. This is right. This is right. Check. Let's try. Again, what the hell? Oh, event inherit. Exactly. So now I inherit from the parent, and the parent inherits from this parent, and so on and so on. So it should be fine. Gosh, what the hell is happening? Super fast. Image speed 0.1. Okay, so this is 0.1. This is the bigger one. Yeah, it's good. Okay, cool. Now let's get to the. That's the other one. All I need is the inherit and this and the HP. Do I have a remedy here? Yes. Now they will shoot stuff. And I only need this and the step event. So this is delete. What executes here? It executes this. No, I don't need this anymore. And done. And the smaller one. Let's try first, because sometimes it doesn't work. It's developers every day. Code works, code doesn't work. Let's see. Okay, kill this motherfucker. And now they spitballs. And they spit in the same direction. One finished the other, damages the other, okay. That's awful. Okay, but they are spitting stuff. That's what I wanted. So this one, the speed And the HP. No, I don't need this. Will be more 20 more minutes, 30 more minutes. I still don't know if I go until 7 or 6:30, so yeah, I don't need this anymore. And the alarm, the step event, I don't need this. Okay, let's try it out and see if all come on. It's not, no, it hurts. This boss is tough. Let's see if they don't move. That's awesome. They don't move. Okay. Why don't they move? Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's change the HP to 1. These ones too, so it's faster to kill them. And test the smaller ones. Okay, these ones move. These ones don't move, don't speed, don't. Oh yeah, I know the problem. I just remembered. So this is 4. Okay, cool. This is 6. And this is parent. Yeah, that was a problem. Save, run. It will. Run for your life. Get out of here, man. Yeah, now they spit stuff. That's what I wanted. Yeah, I need more left in here. Okay, it's cool. It's working. What else can I do today? What music is this? Donkey Kong in concert. What the hell? I didn't listen one song from Zelda today. I'm sad. Okay, now I don't need this. This is wrong. Delete. So let's review all of this dungeon. Let's get the players on starting point. Okay, starting points. Oh yeah, I need some chest box after this. I need to kill the boss and to get some key. how was it? Let me just recap this with you guys. Let's rubber duck a bit. So if I go to this side first, I have this puzzle. Okay. What? I didn't check this. Okay. So object and dungeon stats. Dungeon mall eater plants. What the hell? So dungeon 1, dungeon stats. What do you say on the step events? This part doesn't work. Okay. Line 41, 41. Why not? I don't think that I'd change anything. Okay. Let me just tweet something. What? Okay. So the problem is that I create here. So this ceased to exist. Because these are created on the script. Really? Let me log this and see if it's the problem. It doesn't make any sense because I'm opening the script here and calling the script here, so it should. What? Okay. Self variables, movable doors, doorways, dungeon shooter plants, engine ball enter plants. Empty, empty, empty. They are here, dungeon ball eater plants. What the hell? K equals to 0. Dungeon ball eater plants. Okay, let's object this object dungeon stats 1. Let's add them to the object. See if it goes there. see. Okay, cool. Okay, that was a problem. Okay, he's the boss. Let me kill this, try to kill this boss without dying. Okay. Okay, cool. Didn't drop anything. And then this is open to nothing. Okay, so I'll probably need some puzzle here or something. I need to think about something. Okay, here I have these ones. Just have one. Door opens. There I have puzzle here, so I get a key. Well, this is getting somewhere. Okay, and nothing on the top, so I have to think about more puzzles now. I think I'll finish the stream here today. So I need to go to the beginning. Okay, so I need to get stuff to get here. Okay, so this will be the main one. I need to get more puzzles. So recapping, everything is working, the boss is working, the small ones are speeding stuff and such. I didn't get to 100 followers today, but thanks everyone for stopping by. Sorcery Story, if you wanna host, tell me something about it and I'll host your stream after this one. And see you soon, guys. See you next Tuesday. Have a nice weekend, and once again, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to follow. That helps a lot the channel to grow in the community. Thanks, guys.